I feel healthy because of, or I'm not feeling healthy because of. So this is also judgment. I think the first thing that we need to know is, or I speak for myself. I thought I am the body, and my body has some problems, but I am not the body. I have a body. I am pure consciousness. I am the light. I am void, and I accept everything that God gives me to, or that God would have me learned. For example, with a knee problem. So what does a knee problem mean? There is something in me that needs more love. My pain is telling me this. So there's something to learn. And what is to learn? It is always to go inside and to look what is inside of me, what I'm holding inside of me that is speaking to me in form of a knee problem or back problem. And I accept everything. I love everything. Everything that is hurting in my body, because I know that is bringing me closer to what I am. And as I said before, the very important thing is to know that I am not the body. I have a body. God gave me a body. This is my temple. I have to take care of it. And how do I take care of it? I go inside and work on myself and free myself from all thoughts that are experiencing, or that I'm experiencing as a knee problem. I look at my body and I care for my body. Of course, I do sports, I do yoga, I walk, I'm out and I go to the nature. I eat only healthy food. This is not that I'm doing because I have something in mind I need to do. I need to have my body healthy, and I'm doing this or that. For example, I do sport because I love sports, not because I have some expectations, because after the sports, my body feels perfect, or I eat a certain diet because of. I do everything out of love, out of joy, with fun. This is the only thing I would do anything. Not because I have to do something for my body, because my body is already perfect. And if there is something not perfect, my body knows how to heal itself when I'm working on myself, when I'm working on my memories, when I'm working on all the issues that may show up. So I don't do anything because of healing the body. I cannot heal my body. The body heals itself. So I do everything because I honor the body, out of love, out of joy, and out of fun. Thank you.